guys, it's Shakshi Shetty and welcome to my channel. Today I have decided to do I eat Pani Puri for 24 hours, which is going to be super exciting because मेरे को Pani Puri बहुत पसंद है. In fact, I love everything in chaat. I love Pani Puri, I love Dahi Puri, I love Sev Puri, Bhel Puri, you name it. I am like a huge chaat lover. So this is going to be fun. So ghar pe there's nothing and I'm going to go head out, get all the saman, see if I find some pani puri, then have that for breakfast and everything. So let's go out and see what we find. Hi guys, so I'm in the market and I'm here to have my breakfast with my cousin brother Shakshi Shetty. We are at this place, Pani Puri spot. Excited to have some Pani Puri for breakfast. So I'll go eat. So I'm back for lunch and this is my spread. So they say the same thing that the shopkeeper gave me. So this I think I'm gonna have it for dinner. So I'll just remove this outside. And for the pani puri thing, I'm just using the meetha pani and the tikha pani that the shopkeeper gave me. I'm gonna use moong, which is cooked at home. And there's boiled potato, onion and chopped tomatoes. So these things are gonna be what I'm going to use in my pani puri. All the vegetables, boiled moong, super healthy and nice. So I think the lunch is sorted. So yeah, let's just quickly make some and see how it is. It's really good, very filling. So a lot of lunch में पेट भर जाएगा, काफी heavy है. And they're putting a lot of things inside. So it's actually a very good spread. You can try this at home as well. And it tastes really good. अगर आपको healthy version of pani puri घर पे try करना है, you can totally try this out because it's absolutely yum. I can eat this all day. Literally, I can never get bored of this. It's so good. Okay guys, so that was my very healthy version of Pani Puri और बहुत ही amazing है dude. Please try it. Try किया तो कभी बताना comments में. And I'll go get back to my work and I'll see you guys at dinner. Hi guys, so I am back. बहुत ही ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ मैं. I'm back from office. It's really late actually. It's actually 10:15. Anyway, this is my spread. अभी ऐसे लग रहा है कि काश थोड़ा सा filling food if I would have gotten it would have been better. Like probably like hardcore roti sabji or something. Although I love Pani Puri, but I'm like really hungry right now. So yeah, let's start making. Damn, I had too many puris. मैंने आराम से 15 के ऊपर puris तो खाए होंगे. Anyway, that was it. That was my challenge on eating pani puris for 24 hours. बहुत मजा आया. This was one of the most fun challenges that I've ever done. I love pani puri. I can never get tired of it. Even पूरा दिन खा के भी मुझे मैं थक नहीं गई हूँ. I really like it. If I'm upset and if my friends get me chaat, I'll forget everything on the way. एकदम सस्ता और best. Anyways, that was my video. Don't forget. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon. Comment down below, like कीजिए, and I'll see you next time. Bye.